Listening. What have you got to lose? Listen to radio commercials for 3 different businesses. What are 2 special features of each place? Fitness for life.
You said you'd start working out next month, right? Or after you finish that big project at work? Did you know that you can make something a habit in 21 days? Take our bet at Fitness for Life. Sign up for 1 month and we'll throw in a personal trainer for your first 21 days. That's right, your own personal trainer free for 21 days. People love Fitness for Life because of our qualified trainers, state-of-the-art fitness equipment, dynamic group classes, and nutritional guidance to start eating and feeling better as soon as possible. Fitness for Life, where you come first.
Beauty to go.
So, what time are we meeting for dinner tomorrow?
I don't know if I'll have time. I have to go to the hair salon after work, and I have no idea when I'll get home because traffic has been horrible lately. I wish I had a good beauty salon closer to home.
What about beauty to go? They go to your house.
My house? But I don't have all the equipment and products.
No, they bring everything with them. Just go online to their site, select what you want, where you live, and the time you want them there, and that's it. The professionals are amazing.
What a great idea! But isn't it expensive? I mean, since they come to me with all the supplies, they must charge a lot.
Not at all. Since they don't pay for a fancy hair salon, they're actually cheaper. And you can't beat the convenience. They even brought magazines for me to look at while they did my nails.
Beauty to go. When and where you want, beauty has never been this easy.
Like new repair services.
Cracked screen, slow camera, short battery life? You depend on your smartphone every day to live your life. So why should you let it slow you down? But don't go buy a new smartphone. Let trusted repair technicians at Like New Repair Services fix your phone for a fraction of the cost. We'll diagnose the problem for free, and if we can't fix it, you don't pay for it. So what have you got to lose? Like New Repair Services. Don't let your phone slow you down.